Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep to debunk the 10 misconceptions about healthy habits that you've probably heard, but need to know the truth about. Are you ready? Let me blow your mind. Number 1. You have to eat breakfast. Contrary to popular belief, breakfast isn't a one-size-fits-all rule for everyone. Skipping breakfast doesn't automatically mean you're harming your health. It's more about what you eat throughout the day, rather than the specific timing of your first meal. The second misconception is fat-free is good. Many of us have fallen victim to the fat-free trap. But did you know that some fats are actually good for you? Healthy fats found in avocados and nuts. They are essential for brain function and overall well-being. The third misconception is more exercise make you better. It's time to bust the myth that you need to spend hours in the gym to be healthy. Quality beats quantity when it comes to exercise. Sure, intense workouts can be just as effective as long, drawn-out sessions. The fourth misconception is that all calories are created equal. It's easy to think that all calories are created equal, but that's far from the truth. The source of your calories matters just as much as the number. Nutrient-dense foods like fruits and veggies provide more than just energy. They're packed with essential vitamins and minerals. The fifth misconception is you should drink 8 glasses of water a day. The age-old advice of drinking 8 glasses of water a day. While hydration is crucial, your water needs vary depending on factors like climate and activity level. Listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. The sixth misconception is you should finish what's on your plate. Growing up, many of us were taught to finish everything on our plate, but forcing yourself to overeat lead to digestive discomfort and weight gain. Learn to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. The seventh misconception is we should avoid gluten food. Gluten has become a buzzword in the health world, with many believing it's harmful to everyone. However, unless you have celiac disease or a gluten intolerance, there's no need to avoid gluten like the plague. The eighth misconception is superfood can solve all the problems. While kale and quinoa have certainly earned their superfood status, no single food can magically cure all your health problems. It's all about balance and variety in your diet. The ninth misconception is you can catch up on sleep loss. Burning the midnight oil and planning to catch up on sleep later? Think again. Chronic sleep deprivation can wreak havoc on your health, and catching up on weekends won't fully make up for lost sleep. The 10th misconception is happiness equals health. While happiness certainly contributes to overall well-being, it's not the only determinant of good health. Mental and emotional well-being are just as important as physical health, and it's okay not to be happy all the time. And there you have it, folks. 10 health misconceptions debunked to help you lead a happier, healthier life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us next time for more myth-busting tips and tricks. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye for now.